Hello, everyone. I'm Roger Grimes. I'm Data-Driven Defense Evangelist for KnowBe4, and I'm excited to announce our two-part webinar series entitled Your Ransomware Task Force Response, Recovery, and Remediation Tips from the Pros. And boy, do we have two pros. First up, on May 13th, we have John Mullen of Mullen Coughlin. He's a self-professed data breach coach that has helped respond to over 5,000 ransomware incidents. I don't know about you, but that's more than I've done. He's the guy holding everyone's hand on day one, telling them to calm down, take a deep breath, and what they do and what's going to go on to help them recover quickly and fast as they can from this incident. And the second part of the web series on May 20th is Bill Harden of Charles River Associates. He's been involved in hands-on responding to hundreds of ransomware cybersecurity incidents. His team comes in, helps figure out what happened, what type of ransomware you got hit with, helps negotiate and buy the decryption keys, helps contain and secure your environment, helps you to interface and talk to your board of directors, your customers, your clients, any legal counsel you may have, and also certainly to assist you with restoring and recovering your operations back to normal. I can't think of two guys that are more experienced in ransomware recovery than John Mullen and Bill Harden. And I'm personally excited to be asking them my own questions I've always wondered about. And as you register, you can list the questions you would like answered, and we'll take the best questions and ask John and Bill. I hope to see you there. It really is going to be a great informative set of sessions.